stars up to the rafters.
And they're standing on the rooftops, praying for something that floats.
Ooh, somebody tell me now, why does it always take some kind of natural disaster
For us to realize we're all in the same boat.
Tomorrow morning, the sun's coming up again. Yes, it is.
But until it does, I'll make a promise to you. I'll come running and do the best I can to lend you a helping hand. When we all come together, that's how we weather the sorrow. And it's got